Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, it's just a quick video to update you on the battle between Omoyele Sowore and some character who calls himself Leonard Ezenwa for the control of the AAC. So a quick video to update you on the latest development because I had brought you this story previously. So guys, I bring you this breaking news. INEC debunk Sowore's suspension from AAC, says he's the only chairman we recognize. So INEC debunks Sowore's suspension from AAC, says he is the only chairman they recognize. So here's the body of the story. Accordingly, the commission shall continue to recognize and relate with Mr. Sowore Omoyele as the substantive national chairman of the African Action Congress. So, the Independent National Electoral Commission INEC has said it would only continue to recognize and relate with Mr. Omoyele Sowore as the substantive national chairman of the African Action Congress. INEC's decision is coming 5 days after one Mazi Okwewi read a resolution of suspension to journalists in Abuja whilst installing the expelled secretary of the party, Leonard Ezenwa, as the acting chairman. So now here is the press release from INEC with the INEC letterhead. Re-notification of suspension of Mr. Omoyele Sowore as the national chairman of the African Action Congress AAC, the deputy chairman, headquarters, and 8 others, the appointment of Mr. Leonard Ezenwa as the acting national chairman, and service of 21 days notice for National Convention to elect substantive national officers of the party. So that's the headline. Please refer to subject letter received on 13th May 2019, which advised the Commission that the national chairman and 8 other officers of the African Action Congress have been suspended by the National Executive Committee (NEC) of the party. 2. The Commission, after reviewing the content of the letter, has established the following. A. There is no documentary evidence that a meeting of the AAC National Executive Committee (NEC) was convened by the national chairman as required by Chapter 9, Section S9A of the Constitution of AAC. B. The party did not provide a 21-day notice of the NEC meeting as required by Section 85(1) of the Electoral Act 2010 as amended. C. There are no minutes or evidence of attendance of AAC National Executive Committee meeting where the national chairman and 8 others were purportedly suspended. And this is the third element in the letter. Accordingly, the Commission shall continue to recognize and relate with Mr. Sowore Omoyele as the substantive national chairman of the African Action Congress AAC, and then that's then signed by the Secretary of the Commission. The electoral body, in a statement signed by Roslyn Anthony, Secretary of the Commission, on Friday, said the Commission, after reviewing the content of the letter, established the following. So it goes on to state what I've already read to you. So effectively, a quick update on that story that I brought you previously about this Leonard fella contending the chairmanship of the AAC with Omoyele Sowore. So INEC has now come out to state categorically that they do not recognize any Leonard as being chairman of anything, and they continue to acknowledge Omoyele Sowore as the chairman of the African Action Congress, the party that he founded. So this ludicrous, silly man, Leonard Ezenwa, obvious 419 guy, he has been dismissed by INEC and dismissed by all of us as well. So a quick update, like I said, fellas, what do you make of this? INEC coming out to back Omoyele Sowore. Perhaps they did not get the instructions in time from Mr. Buhari to say that give him a kick in. But there we have it. INEC coming up with the right words to do the right things. New development in the Nigerian space, no doubt. So now what says you? INEC, Omoyele Sowore, Ezinwa, and goings on. Conversations for discussion in this video. But before you come join me to have a chat about this, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Click on the bell button, that way you are notified every time I drop a new video. Then come have a chat with me about how INEC has positioned itself in support of Omoyele Sowore in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, but here I say peace.